Hello everyone, I'm Brad Hickey here. Guys, it's been a while yung last ko na video about sa visa, green card. So, yung 10 years green card ko na-receive ko nung 2023, June. Hindi ko matanda ng exact date, pero June 2023 while my husband was in the hospital. So, today, I'm gonna share with you guys about my application for U.S. citizenship, naturalization, and 400 naturalization. So, tag-print ko yung details. Alright, naputol. Okay, continue tayo. So, for this video, it's about application U.S. citizenship and 400. So, guys, nag-apply ako using my husband account. Tatakot ako nung una kasi baka alam mo yun? I-reject kasi nga hindi ko account. Gamit ko yung account ng asawa ko. So far, today, we're still waiting for the next step. So, ito yung mga nagawa pa sa application ko. So, i-detalye ko. January 29, 2026, we filed the application via online using my husband account. Then, on that day, my husband received an email that thank you for the payment. So, yun, on January 29. February 5, I received a I-797 receipt letter. February 6, my husband received an email saying that they will mail the biometrics notification letter. If not received before March 5, we'll call them for a request to send it. So, February 14, 2026, I-797 biometric notification letter I received that one. I-797 biometric notification letter. Then, appointment date, February 23, 2026, 1 p.m. Application Support Center, USCIS, Cincinnati, 550 Main Street, Room 1710. Yun, sa Cincinnati. So, nag-apply ako that time para dito sa biometrics. So, from that day, ano ba ngayon? April 9, still, tag-check ko last week, last 2 days. Sabi, still on the process. So, sabi, will inform me kung meron pa silang kailangan na more information. So, yun guys pala. So, while waiting for the next step, ano pang sunod, I think interview na, di ba? Next. So, while waiting for that, I bought this one from Amazon. So, since nahirapan ako kasi ganito, tulad nito, question sa taas, sa baba, sagot. So, nahirapan ako So, ginawa ko, sinulat ko, hanggang 100 yan. So, not only 100, yung mga nag-research din ako ng ano pang mga possible na question. So, sinulat ko siya. So, pag uwi ko ng galing trabaho, binabasa ko siya. Kasi kapag memorize mo, parang mawawala eh. Pero kung lagi yung siyang binabasa, may intact sa utak mo, di ba? So, sa 100 questions. So, hindi ko naman lagi, just recently nag-stop ako. So, ito, madaming page na. So, yun lang guys. Nag-inform ko lang sa inyo. Baka matakot din kayo kung gumamit kayo ng your husband account for filing the applications. So, no need guys. Hindi naman na-reject yung namin, yung application. Kano ba yung binayaran namin? 17, I think, 710? O, 710. Credit card yung binayad namin. So, yun lang guys, ang ating video for today. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yan. At comment down below kung ilang months ang waiting nyo bago yung notification ng interview. Diba after biometrics, correct me if I'm wrong, after biometrics, interview na, diba? So if ever ganon, let me know if how many months kayo nag-wait. Kasi in the last time, February 23, 2026, yun yung appointment ko for biometrics. So this coming April 23, it will be 2 months na. So if from the day ng application, January 29, so 1 month, 1 month, February, March, 2 months. So not yet, so really, so matagal, diba? So yun lang guys, I will inform you, video ulit ako kapag na-receive ko na yung anong step, diba? Interview na, diba? Next step. So, yun lang guys ang ating video for today. Thank you for watching. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Maraming salamat for those who support me. At for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and just comment also. I'll share. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ay, nag-bye-bye na ako, no? Pero, nakalimutan ko i-share sa inyo. Bumili pala ako nito. Just in case sa interview. So, yung mga original, ilalagay ko sa dito. So, ganito, wala pang laman. Hindi pa ako naghanda. Yan. Okay. Mura lang to sa Amazon eh. Ito yung name niya. Yan. Done. So, yun guys. Then, yung yung nilagay ko na, yung pag-file sa application, nilagay ko lang sa iba, di ba, gamit ka ng laptop, gumawa ako ng isang folder na nakalagay N400 sa documents, ha? And then, in one time, so, yun, nilalagay ko lahat. Tulad ng picture namin. Yung picture namin, nilalagay ko sa Word. Sa Word. Kung meron kayong Word, Microsoft Word, ilagay nyo lang doon. Tapos, lagyan nyo ng date, tsaka name. Date pala, at tsaka location. Kung sino din yung kasama nyo, ganyan. And then, yun. Bawat folder dapat, ang nilagay ko pa lang, i-share ko lang sa inyo kung anong ginawa ko. Yung folder, kunwari ako, tsaka yung pangalan ng asawa ko, tapos yung birth certificate niya, birth certificate ko, passport niya, tsaka passport ko. So, in detail siya para mas madali kapag mag-upload ng documents. Madali mo na siya hanapin. So, in one folder lang yung ilagay mo para hindi ka mahirapan maghanap. Mag-scroll, di ba? Hanapin mo kung sakaling maraming laman yung laptop mo. So, in N400, so, pag open ng N400, nandun na, detailed na nandun na yung mga kailangan mo. So, yun ang ginawa ko guys. So, mas easier kung ganun gagawin. Sa akin lang ha, depende sa inyo. Tag-share ko lang sa inyo kung anong ginawa ko para Hindi ko na i-detalyo kung anong basta yun yung supporting documents yung ginawa ko ba. So, kung sakaling mag-apply kayo via online. Ayun. Another bye-bye again. Thank you for watching.